Hey guys, so I'm gonna be doing like a peachy pink eye makeup look for the summer of 2025. So I apologize for not posting more videos on my fashion and beauty channel. I was so busy. And by the way, I'm working on my new music because I definitely want to promote an album that I want to drop like between 2025 or like in the fall 2025 or early 2026. Well, that really depends how long it takes for me. But don't worry guys, I am promoting my music, like I am working on my new music for my upcoming first studio album ever. So stay tuned because I probably want to drop a new song. After I drop my new song called Dear Friendship, one I just worked on back in April of this year. So stay tuned because there's more music to come. Alright guys, so enjoy this video and let's get started. I am trying my best to do more of my new music because why not? Because like I said, I want to like promote an album I want to drop so badly, but I gotta ask my mom first before I do because who cares about like dropping an album for the first time instead of dropping regular songs? And the big question is like, how am I going to drop an album if I want to collect songs? And how am I gonna decide which of the songs I compose, either the newer ones are gonna come up or the ones that are in the past, let's say last year, 2 years ago that I released my new music, blah, blah, blah. Either the old ones, the classic ones, or the newer ones that are going to come up this year. Alright, so that's the big question. How am I going to promote an album? Which of the songs I want to decide to be in my album, because I definitely want to promote an album so badly. I'm definitely not going to lie to you, but I wanted to drop a song, a new song, a brand new one, a new masterpiece in June or July, but unfortunately I didn't have a decision of what date I wanted to drop a new song. Of course, it's gonna be a Friday one because it's New Music Friday. And I got severely pissed off because I definitely want to improve my social life for the summer of 2025, especially if it's I'm gonna hang out or do anything else, outdoor activities or anything like that. Like, I don't know how I'm going to improve my social life more, but if I keep hanging out with my friends, keep spending time with them, then this will improve my social life more because my mom says if you keep hanging out with your friends, you will improve your social life more, and then you won't be sad and lonely anymore if you don't have friends to spend time with, people to talk to, people to stay in touch with if you're not around with them. And I need to improve my audience in my main channel, not only in my fashion and beauty channel, but I want to improve my social life with my friends. Well, definitely want to improve my audience for my main YouTube channel where I post my vlogs and my music. By the way, I have a new vlog where I was at a Rise Up New York City concert. Go check it out. Uploaded the ones in 2025 because I've been there since 2023. That's been for the past 2 years that I went there for the first time to go to the Rise Up New York City summer concert. It's at Mid Island Beach, and I post a vlog for this year's show, so go check out my new vlog on my main YouTube channel. It's called Nicole Asensio Official. So go check it out at any time. I got more vlogs, so stay tuned. I think the peachy pink color of my eyeshadow looks gorgeous. It's like you're going to a beach or you're probably buying clothes that are like the same color. It's like peachy pink. Overall, my summer is doing good. So, how's your summer going? Let me know in the comments what you did so far. Even though we're going straight to August, but still, since I haven't posted videos for like several days, you can let me know in the comments what you did throughout the summer, what you did overall as of right now. Alright? Let me know if you want me to post more videos. Oh, by the way, it's been over 1 year since I reunited to do these choreography tutorials. I'm still looking for a video camera, so please stay tuned for more, because just because I haven't posted for over a year doesn't mean I'm going to take a break from posting dance choreography tutorial videos. That's not a thing. I'm still looking for a camera, so stay tuned, because I'm still looking for a camera, and I'll let you know once I find it. Then we'll go back to do more dance choreography tutorial videos, so let me know what songs you want me to do for my next dance choreography tutorial videos. Alright, final touches. Let's do the lips. Okay, this is the final makeup look, especially the hair. So, thanks for watching. So if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. And stay tuned for my new song called Dear Friendship. I'm gonna release a song either in August or probably towards the end of the summer season, like a day before fall season starts. But I'll let you know the release date. Alright, so more music to come, more vlogs, and more videos from me. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of your day. See you in my next video. Bye.